Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with consistent tension and a clear splice point. Pick the end of a round so the join lands inside a seam. Once ready, leave a 3/4 cm tail on the old yarn and a similar tail on the new yarn. Hold tails together along the hook direction to maintain twist. Make a single slip knot with the new yarn, insert hook into the next stitch, and pull the new loop through. This creates the working connection without adding bulk. Once you pull the new yarn through the last loop of the old color, make the next yarn over. With new yarn only so the transition sits inside one stitch. After finishing that stitch, secure both tails by weaving each tail through the next 2-3 stitches on the inside. This prevents unraveling and hides bulk. Make sure to keep the stitch marker and count exact. If the count changes, rip back one stitch rather than carry errors forward. You finish by pulling the transition stitch snug, tighten gently so it closes without puckering. Once stuffed, weave the tails flat into the inside of the amigurumi and trim any excess. Shape the piece with fingers so the join seats naturally. If you see a visible gap or tension mismatch, undo the last 4-6 stitches and rework that section, or use a small ladder or mattress stitch as a cover-up. This ensures a seamless, durable finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.